Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Bibi, our supervisor and other panels. Today I want to present my final year project 1 entitled Design and Development of Hydro Waste Collector Robot Body and Conveyor System. So, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Kamal Zaman. The first slide is about introduction and literature review to topic. So, a bell conveyor is a type energy conversion system from electrical energy to mechanical energy. So, energy efficiency can be divided into 4 components, which are performance efficiency, operation efficiency, equipment efficiency, and technology efficiency. The improvement of energy efficiency can easily put the operation efficiency and equipment efficiency for most energy system. The initiative that aim to increase the efficiency of an energy system can be clustered into the 4 categories, which are technology efficiency, operation efficiency, equipment efficiency, and performance efficiency. So, for the technology efficiency, refers to the efficiency of the energy conversion, processing, transmission, and usage perspective. The next point is about the ship hull repair. This is the most essential task undertaken by ship repair yards. The environmental impact of the hull repair procedure is an issue that has not been dealt with and ought to be considered seriously. Hull repair is based on the two major processes, which are cutting and welding. So, the problem statement for my FYP project is the material used for conveyor system is unsuitable. The body compartment design are unsuitable and unfit for certain weight and loads. The dustbin design for previous project is inappropriate prototype dimension. So we need to calculate the dimension to make the dustbin can collect more waste or rubbish. So the next slide is about research question. The first point is how to manage the waste inside the dumpster or dustbin. The next point, how to increase the size of the dumpster. How to make the boat floating and increase the stability of the boat. And lastly, what is the best material to be used for conveyor system. The objective of my FYP project is to design and integrate an conveyor system on a platform, to design and develop an appropriate body compartment structure and conveyor system. For the scope of works and limitation, the first point is we need to choose the appropriate material for conveyor system because for my conveyor system, mostly we use 3D 3D printing. The next point is about design a proper dumpster considering size, function, and capability to collect waste or rubbish. Lastly, consider weight of the whole structure for their stability and buoyancy of the boat. Significance of study. We can explore new ideas on how to overcome water pollution in Malaysia. As we all know, Ministry of Education wants young engineer to contribute further on the engineering program so that in the future they can produce more young engineers which can able to contribute for the society or community. The next point is about new industrial vision, which are Industrial Revolution 4.0 needs young engineer to use more internet technology or IT. Lastly, is about create awareness about the water pollution to the society or community. So the methods that I use to make my FYP is the problem statement is discussed with supervisor, co-supervisor, and other members about the future product. As we all know, this FYP project, the ideas is taken from the previous product that we make on the design project, so that we found that some problem need to be solved to ensure that the product, the future product produce uh, can produce more efficiency on the functionality each component. So to solve the problem statement, we need to do some brainstorming ideas to make sure that the problem statement can be solved related to the title that given on the FYP project. So the brainstorming ideas I do with my supervisor and other members that related to the product or FYP project. So based on the brainstorming idea, we decided to redesign new body compartment and new looks design on conveyor system. So to redesign new body compartment, we need to do some research on hull design, and to make a new looks design on conveyor system, we need to do some research on the conveyor system, and to make sure that the conveyor system can fully functional, we need to find the suitable motor to be used to make sure that the conveyor can run smoothly. After that, we finalize the dimension on the support, whole design body, conveyor system, type and size of the dumpster and platform. Next point, we make progress on designing each component and part to be used on our new product. And lastly, we start to make our logbook and proposal based on the title given from supervisor. So expected outcomes for my FYP product is our product can work well by floating and moving smoothly. Um, all components can be used based on the research we have done during FYP 1. So for example, we make some calculation on boat design density, which are the design of the boat. So based on the calculation that I make, the weight of 8 components produce the value of density, which is 170.79 kilogram per meter cube. So this value is lower than the water density, which is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. The next point is based on the update design drawing. We found that there are many improvements that have been applied on the product, such as added support on the platform to strengthen the structure of platform, so that the platform can receive loaded from the conveyor system, from the solar panels, and from the power source, which is battery. So for the previous product, we use Tamiya motor, uh, which is we found that the Tamiya motor can easily overheat uh, after running for a long time. So that for my FRP project, I decided to use brushless motor because the brushless motor can produce more power output so that the conveyor system can move smoothly. Lastly, the conveyor is made from the 3D printing piece by piece so that the conveyor can easy to be made and attached together. So this is the final product design. As you can see that there are conveyor system uh, and the support under the platform, and there are two design of the boat which is used to make sure that the boat not sink. And you can see that there are the hole at the middle of the platform. The hole at the middle of the platform is the place that we put the dumpster. So this is the project timeline for my FYP project. As you can see that the progress of the FYP project run on the track, and the blue one is the planning for the FYP 2. So this is the reference that I use for my proposal. That's all for now. Thank you for the Madam Bibi and panels. Thank you for the leisure time. See you next time.